How to remove a Google account from YouTube app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove Google account from YouTube application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch and open up the YouTube application in your mobile device. And once you land on your home page, you have to navigate to the bottom right corner. There is your profile icon, tap on it. Now under your profile, there is an option as switch account, tap on it. Here from this menu bar, if you navigate at the bottom, there you find an option as manage accounts, tap on it. Now from this page, scroll through it and select the account that you want to remove. And then you'll have an option to remove account, tap on remove account and again confirm it by tapping in remove account. After that, the Google account will be removed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.